location at 95th and Nall in Prairie Village may always bring back memories for you of golfing with the Meadowbrook Country Club. However, in 2016, Johnson County adopted a new master plan to develop a community within the community of Prairie Village. From this, we now have a new beautiful park of Meadowbrook Park, as well as a luxurious community of residential options. There's a new type of activity happening now at 95th and Nall you won't want to miss exploring. Come on, let's take a look.